Welcome to DAV Mall Public School e-learning classes. Standard 9, Subject Science. Chapter Matter in our surrounding. This is a revision video. We are going to do revision of chapter 1, Matter in our surrounding. What is matter? Matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Anything present in our surrounding which has mass and occupies some space, those substances are called matter. For example, air, water, book, pen, pencil, dust particle, paper, pen, everything is matter which has mass or and occupy spaces. Classification of matter. Early Indian philosophers classified in the form of 5 basic elements: air, water, fire, sky, and water, earth, called Panchatattva. On the basis of the physical state, matter is classified as solid, liquid, and gases. On the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified as pure substance and mixtures. Pure substances may be element or compound. Mixture may be a homogeneous mixture or a heterogeneous mixture. Physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. Those particles may be atom, ions, or molecules. The particles of matter are very tiny. These particles cannot be seen by naked eyes. The particles of matter have space between them. We call these space interparticular space or intermolecular space. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving because they possess some kinetic energy, and due to this kinetic energy they are always in motion. Particles of matter attract each other. So particles of matter have force of attraction between them. This force keeps the particle together, and strength of this force of attraction vary from one kind of matter to another kind. So these 5 nature of particle we have studied, we are going to demonstrate or learn these particle, understand these properties of particles of matter with the help of some activities. First characteristic of particle of matter is particles are made up of particle. So in this activity we take some water in a beaker and noted down its level, and now dissolve some salt or sugar in this water and mix the salt and sugar with the help of glass rod. The salt or sugar dissolve in the water, but the level of water does not change. This is because the particle of water get into the space between the particle of salt or sugar. This shows that matter is made up of particles. Second activity we will do to demonstrate that particles of matter are very tiny. In this activity we dissolve 2 or 3 crystals of potassium permanganate. We can also take some few drops of ink, also blue or red ink, in 100 ml of water in a beaker. Now we take, suppose we have taken 10 ml of this solution and dissolve in 100 ml of water. Again we take 10 ml of this solution and dissolve in another 100 ml of water. We are going to repeat this process for 5 to 6 times. This shows that a few crystals, and we are getting lighter and lighter color in the successive beaker or glass of containing water. So this shows that a few crystals of potassium permanganate can give color to a large volume of water because there are millions of tiny particles in each crystals. Third characteristic or property of matter is a particle of matter have space between them. For this we can do an activity. We have taken some, suppose we have taken some water in a beaker and noted down its level, then dissolve some salt or sugar in that water and mix with the help of glass rod. The salt or sugar will dissolve in the water, but the level of water will not change. Why this happens so? Because the particle of salt or sugar are get into the space between the particle of water. There are space between the particle of salt and there are space between the particles of water, and that space of is occupied by the particle of salt or sugar. Fourth characteristic or property of particle of matter is particle of matter are continuously moving. For this we can do an activity. Suppose we have taken some water in a beaker and put a drop of blue or red ink slowly along the side of beaker and leave it undisturbed for some time. The ink spread evenly throughout the water due to movement of particle of water and ink. The intermixing of two or more different type of matter on their own is called diffusion. And on heating, this rate of diffusion or mixing becomes faster. The next characteristic or property of particle of matter is that particle of matter attract each other. This we can do by an activity. Suppose we have taken an iron nail, a piece of chalk and a rubber band and trying them to break them by hammering, cutting or stretching. It is more easier to break the chalk but less easier to break the rubber band and difficult to break an iron nail. This is because particles in the iron nail are held together with greater force than in rubber band or chalk. So, through different activities, we have determined that the nature of particle of matter, and on the basis of observation we get from these activity, we can say that matter is made up of tiny particles. Matter is made up of particles. Second, particle of matter are very tiny. Third, particle of matter have space between them. Fourth, particle of matter are continuously moving. Fifth, particle of matter attract each other. Thank you.